What if Apple's next iPhone release ends up being its most ambitious yet? According to well-known Apple insider Mark Gurman, the iPhone 17 series is expected to be revealed during the week of September 8, 2025, with Tuesday the 9th or Wednesday, the 10th being the most likely dates, based on Apple's usual launch patterns. This year's iPhone lineup could include for models the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, each bringing major design and performance upgrades. The iPhone 17 is said to come with a larger 6.3-inch display and will feature a 48-megapixel wide camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 24-megapixel front-facing camera, making it a solid upgrade over the iPhone 16. The new iPhone 17 Air, expected to be Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, will reportedly have a 6.7-inch display, a single 48-megapixel rear camera borrowed from the iPhone 16, and a 24-megapixel selfie shooter, but will be limited by a smaller 2,800 mAh battery due to its ultra-slim form factor. On the performance side, the iPhone 17 and 17 Air are rumored to run on Apple's upcoming A19 chip, while the Pro and Pro Max will be powered by the more advanced A19 Pro, both manufactured using TSMC's third-generation 3nm process. One of the biggest changes this year will be in RAM, with the iPhone 17 getting 8GB and the other three models jumping to 12GB, allowing for better multitasking and smoother app usage, especially for Apple Intelligence features. What's more exciting is the camera upgrade on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, which are expected to feature three 48-megapixel sensors for the wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, along with a 24-megapixel front-facing camera, something no iPhone has done before. A big visual change might also be coming, with multiple leaks suggesting Apple will finally redesign the rear camera module, possibly moving away from the familiar square bump we've seen since the iPhone 11. And if you care about battery life, this is where the Pro Max truly stands out. For the first time ever, Apple may equip an iPhone with a 5,000 mAh battery in the iPhone 17 Pro Max, offering a huge boost in power compared to previous models. In contrast, the iPhone 17 and 17 Pro will likely pack 3,600 and 3,700 mAh batteries respectively. With all these updates, new displays, upgraded chips, better cameras, and significantly more RAM, Apple is clearly pushing to stay ahead in the premium phone race. Whether you're still using an older iPhone or you upgrade every year, this new lineup is shaping up to offer something for everyone, from casual users to hardcore tech fans. And with the launch expected in just a couple of months, it's the perfect time to start thinking about which model might be right for you. So, if you want to see Apple break some of its old traditions while pushing its hardware further than ever, circle that second week of September on your calendar. Let us know in the comments which iPhone 17 model you're most excited about, and if you enjoyed this update, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more easy and clear tech news every week. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Is Samsung finally making foldable phones worth getting excited about? With the Galaxy Z Fold 7 just days away from launch, leaked hands-on photos are already giving us a clear look at what could be the company's most refined foldable phone. So far, these early images show the phone in a deep dark blue color, which might be called blue shadow. And it is not just about the color. This phone looks slim, polished, and premium. One major detail that stands out is the missing camera rings on the back. It gives the Fold 7 a cleaner and more modern design, which might be a welcome change for users who are tired of the older bulky camera layout. According to leaks, the phone is only 8.9 millimeters thick when folded. That makes it the slimmest fold yet, which is impressive for a phone with an 8-inch main display. Although the display is still under a protective layer in the leaked pictures, early hints suggest that Samsung may have improved the crease, which has been a common complaint about previous Fold models. at the heart of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the same one powering the Galaxy S25 series. So in terms of performance, you are getting the top-tier experience that Samsung fans expect. Now, not everything is perfect. The Fold 7 is rumored to come with a 4,400 mAh battery and 25-watt wired charging. Those numbers may sound a bit outdated for a phone in this price range. But given everything else Samsung is offering, some people might be willing to overlook that. What really stands out this time is how close Samsung is getting to making the foldable feel complete, compared to the Honor Magic V5 and the Oppo Find N5, which used to be ahead in specs. The Fold 7 finally matches up. Those phones may still have larger batteries, but if you prefer Samsung's One UI software and the promise of long-term software updates, the Fold 7 becomes a very solid option. Even Honor is now promising 7 years of updates, just like Samsung. So the real choice comes down to whether you value battery life more than software experience. And speaking of updates, Samsung is not just working on high-end foldables. They are also getting into the affordable foldable segment with the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, which is expected to launch alongside the Fold 7. So we are not just talking about a single phone here, we are talking about a whole new push from Samsung into making foldables more mainstream. And let's not forget the future competition. Apple's first foldable iPhone is still rumored to be at least a year away, which gives Samsung time to win people over. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 might actually be the first foldable phone that convinces people who are still waiting for Apple to make their move. The foldable market has been a bit slow lately, with fewer major changes year after year. But with the Fold 7, Samsung might finally have a product that brings some real excitement back. It looks better, feels slimmer, and has the kind of specs that make people stop and pay attention. So, if you have been waiting for a foldable phone that finally feels like it got everything right, this might be the one. What do you think about this leaked hands-on look at the Fold 7? Is it enough to win you over? Let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates like this. What if your next iPhone could do more than ever without breaking a sweat? The iPhone 17 Pro Max might just be that phone. It's expected to launch in September, and if early leaks are right, Apple is planning some serious upgrades not just on the inside, but also in the way the phone looks and feels. Let's start with the camera. Instead of the usual square bump, Apple might go with a rectangular layout that stretches across the top. It's a big change that could make the phone stand out instantly, but it's not just for looks. This design might help fit a new 48 megapixels periscope zoom camera. Right now, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has only a 12 megapixels zoom lens, so this would be a major step up for clearer, sharper photos from far away. And Apple is also thinking about